National Covers is America's #1 choice for boat covers and bimini tops. For over 25 years, National Covers has offered superior products at competitive prices, all backed by outstanding customer service. Windstorm is our best-selling line of boat covers. It is the perfect blend of performance and quality at a great price. Windstorm covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They are made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit for your boat. Windstorm T-top boat covers are manufactured with Marinex marine-grade fabric and are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Windstorm boat covers come with a 7-year warranty and are handmade from Marinex 600D 6.9-ounce solution-dyed polyester with UV coating and rot-proof double-stitch seams. Windstorm covers are available in a variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. All Windstorm covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. Windstorm boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. Windstorm boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Heavy-duty zipper on port side allows easy access to cockpit without having to remove the cover. Windstorm covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. Windstorm T-top boat covers are our most popular high-performance, full-featured covers made with solution-dyed marine-grade fabric and designed to provide years of quality protection. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.